Pyros, I made a homemade salute rocket. Here's this bad boy right here. 2.75 ball shell. Filled with nothing but black powder mixed with flash. Hell yeah. Motherfucker tall as fuck. But it all counts on the report. And look, this is a Casper rocket right next to it. Casper is 1.75. Damn. Look. Damn. Look at the size of mine. I'm gonna try to get this on video because last time I almost got caught by some fucking cops. But damn. Demo will be coming in the night or tomorrow whenever I get the chance. But thought I'll let you guys know I just try to do my best, cook this bitch up. But anyway, call this the Chewy Blaster. Alright.